Today, people are getting some high pitch. I took a bomb attack on me. Travel past Kikubor, but now pitch like a mat Bokongsan. On Sio Kasorkar Jilla, Sanspa Andrew Pusan Klur, Shaka NTPC, Haki Arpo Sin Sio. Raika Ken Home Mentri Ban Hap Don Lysen Kinong Diamadan, Habakayi Shabar Kijaka Municipal. Yashim Bentau Simbot Menteri Rangba ke Jela ha ke jeng rakhe Jubilee Ksiar ke Embo Satura. Bat penlong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress ya ke jeng lang ha ususa tham auditorium Shillong. Ki khubor ke babnia. Menteri Katanat Boarding UAT Mondal Ulaong ba Katanat Boarding kalapan sngow siya ka National Thermal Power Corporation banya penbet hadin ba ka by boarding ka ba saateng kalakiyo siya ka Rios pa 100% klur ya ka ba lada siya penbeteng kantam ya ka 1000 klur bat kan longru ka jingban kia hadin ka jing kren ba ka jing lang gibla long nakapor siya kapor Menteri Ulaong ba ka NTPC Kalap menjur ya kedor keba sanspa 100% klur haka jaka jongka 100% klur henre ya kini hap ban sio haki arposin sio.
As of now, it is 565 crore divided by 20. So whatever amount comes, that will be the amount. But as I am telling that we are still negotiating with them so that the number of installments are increased. So it will come down also. Now the moment we finalize with NTPC, then it will go accordingly. No, earlier we were taking power from them. It is not that we have never taken power from them. But as I told you that the amount was quite high and the per unit tariff was also, because that has been fixed by CRC as per the agreement.
Ka jengelang ka kenhun menteri hinen kesni kalabo jeng perking halor ki kam dia jeng dia ha kanong ba hadien ka jeng ja pluk ding ka belajar thana road ha kesni satjan ka sarkar kalong bagi kali pelip ding kim shimlala bania ling ba ka surok ka ba khandai lat namar ka jeng don ki nong dia madan hajan ka surok kat kum karai jong ka kenhun menteri kinong di madan ki devan don ye ki license khayi haki jaka ki bashabar jo ki lightly ki jaka ki bha po ka jing pet ka Shillong municipal board ki nong di madan ki devan don ru ki election photo identity card ka sirnot jaka sa la kumno na benta license ha Meghalaya but ki devan long ru ki ba dia jing dia ka no ka jaka na ka benta nriu banai.
They have to possess, for instance, an epic that they are voters of the state of Meghalaya, and also that they have stayed in Meghalaya for at least the last 3 years, and that they have been trading or vending in a particular place for a minimum of 6 months, and also that they possess a trade license based wherever the Trading by Non-Tribals Act is applicable. Okay.
Usimbot Menteri Rangba ke Jela iba sniaw balang dhar nen kesngi election bentah ke jing rakhe Jubilee Ksiar jong ke Meghalaya Board of School Education Hatura. Haba ai jeng kren kum ukongsan usimbot Menteri Rangba ulapan pau ke jing ai khuble na ke bentah ke jing sei so jong ke tanat hakini kisan post nam baladem but ai jeng ro ya ke embos kum ka wei ne ki board ke ba biang tam hapo keri. Ubat dhar ulak do ru ya ka jingkiu jong ka tanat puli puthi what happened ki popun ki jing tenjo pat kirmen nak ka benta ki wei pat ki jing sei so hadien habot ha ka te ke program ukongsan ulapen heru ya kalama jong ka embos.
I didn't see that we are perfect, but I didn't see that we are below others, but when you really need to go we can challenge we others who are hurrying from us. Education is universal. I never ever see here. Some of us students on myself. You see the universe. And they
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress ne kasngi kalapan long ye kejingelang ha ususo tham auditorium Shillong Manish Chatra udukhat ka AICC bapat ya ka Meghalaya President ke MPCC Ba Vincent H. Pala, nong yalam kaliang persya ba Ronnie V Lingdo lembat kiwe ki MLA bat MDC kilai shimbentah ka jingelang. Haka jing kerenjong u chatra ula banjur ba kesorkar ka dei ka seng ka bakdup ki brio ni ki bentah ba per. Ula keren ru halor ka jing nang kieu jong ka seng da ka ba ayu nuksa ya ka jing nang klan jong ki dekot jong ka ba menta ka ba ukermen scam ba ka long ka jing senyang sya ka jing kieu jong ka seng. Kiman pelai keran hakatik program ki kentup ia ke jingpen krear ka benta ke election, jingpen klan ya keseng, jingken tiu ya kinong yalam nalor kiwe.
Congress party is always with open arm, welcoming people, anybody from any center and the party. So you were always part of us, you will always remain part of us. And I'm very happy from this platform I can say that since the time Mr. Salan has joined the party,
Ka Central Puja Committee Meghalaya kelapan long ya ka All Faith Get Together for Harmony ka ba Laipo ha Hindu Mission Durga Puja Committee ka ba Hama Prem. Kum shibanta jo ka jing sedang ya ka le niam Durga Puja ka program ka bertemu ban wanra ka jing teli kelas sakhi ka jing shibanta jo ki nong yalam niam na ki ken hun niam ba per ki blai shim ya ka jing bam smai ban long ki beteli. Haba ajeng kran ka jingelang Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ba nong mikmat ka West Shillong iba polling do ila banjur ba ka mau prem ka de ka nuksa ka ba pen I ka jingken thop lang ya ki jat ban riu ba per ha ka nong ba ha ka bai ka liang la pen long ya ka jaka ka ba biang na ka benta ka ni ka jingelang ha ka jo ka por iba pol ila khot la ya wer ki nong i shimenta ban long ki beteli bat ban im suk im san
should be all inclusive. All religions we believe are all same. We worship, we believe in one God, the entire humanity, but the path may be different. But we all aspire, we all seek solace in the arms of one Almighty.
Ka tanat puli mass media jong St. Anthony's College Shillong hne kasngi kalapan long ka art exhibition bala ai kerteng sinrai ha conference hall jong ka college da ka jing thmu ban ngam jeli we ka jing kala ka mariang jong ka sinrai ling ba ki jing pen pau ha ka rukom jo ki sap ki phok ma per kani ka program ka ken thop ye ki kam jo ki samla puli ki bla ring dor na ki rong ki rop jong ka jing long jing man ka ayom Haka juk kapor ka program kalapin inam ru ya ka jing itanat jong ka ayom sinrai ling ba ki benta ba per kum ki jing shna ki dur ki dar ki sur ki video haringkat ki jing draw Kumba santali ki school kila shaje pan mikmat ya ka West Giant Hills District ha ka State Level Children's Science Congress hadien jo ka District Level Children's Science Congress kabla long hinin kasngi ya ka ni ka program lapan long da ka State Council of Science Technology and Environment Meghalaya haring kat ka jingis nok ti lang bat ka District Planning West Giant Hills halor ka phang Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Well-Being, Haka District Library, Jawai. Kani ka jingi kop kala sakhi ka jingi shimbenta jo ki khna ni school ba per ke bla sei madan like project halor ka phang balabo. Kiti ki kin hon ki bla shajet kin mikmat ya ka district haka State Level Children's Science Congress ka ban salong haka khatsa wat khatsan trik unai weng mentau snam Hashlong College. Mentangi dan petnya ke jeng long jeman ke simbeneng Shillong. Ke jeng shit kalong 8 degree Celsius, ke jeng kreat kalong 4 degree Celsius. Ke jeng skam kau hau kalong rup sana ke shispa minstep pat nyong puprana ke shispa jamir. Kelak benot ke jeng hap slap ke malu malah haki katu ke neki jaka. Shoban poi sebukut jeng tup kubor, yang pepiang sesian kimat bekongsan. Onsiu ke sorkar jela Sanspa Henrio Pusan Klur, Shaka NTPC Haki Arho Sinsio. Rai ke Kinhun Menteri ban Habdon Lisen Kinong di Madan, Habak Hayi Shabar ke Jaka Municipal. Yashim Benta usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Haka Jing Rake Jublik Siar ke Embo Sentura. Bat penlong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress ya ke Jilang Ha Ususu Tham Auditorium Shillong. Dia perlog dah gitu ki kubor lapoi sebut jang tu kubor jing tak janmin haru bin disham yang berpilih saya ke sini kublek pi baro.
Invest in the share market, earn lakhs with guaranteed returns. This limited period offer is just for you.
Snakes have cameras in their eyes.
How can you believe this nonsense?